In this video, you will learn how to navigate ReplenOS forecasting. You can access your store's forecast by clicking the forecast link in the left sidebar at any time. Once you do that, you will see this forecast dashboard. This view shows the total forecast for all active items in your store. Start by reviewing the forecast chart, which visually shows the forecast in green against prior year actuals. Toggle between week and month to change the forecast view from weekly to monthly and vice versa. You can also toggle between units and revenue to see the forecast in units and dollars. Below the chart, you can see a more detailed breakdown of the forecast in monthly values as well. Prior year sales and year-over-year percentage growth for reference. You can view the forecast by category or toggle to by item to see variant level forecasts. Click on any item or variant to see its detailed forecast. Similarly, you can toggle between units and revenue here as well. Hit the CSV button to download the entire forecast to review in Excel if you need to. If you want to deep dive and manage the forecast for a particular variant, search for the variant in the search box at the top and select the one you want to review. This takes you to the variant level forecast in detail to make any necessary changes. Let's review how. At the top, you have an overview of the key information about this variant, such as its name and category, retail price trend, sales trend, and forecast accuracy, and any upcoming promotions. You can click Full Trend in Price Trend card to see the historical and planned retail price on a variant. Next, you see the forecast chart with standard toggles to view in units or dollars. The green line is the ReplenOS AI-generated forecast. However, if you believe you need to override this system forecast, you can do so. This shows up as the red line called Override Forecast in the chart. Let's see how to enter forecast overrides. Scroll to the forecast override section below the chart. Here you can enter overrides by week and month. For a given month, let's say June, click on June. If you want to override the entire month's forecast by a set percentage, just enter the value here and hit apply. To save this, hit the commit button at the right. And the changes are saved and reflected in the chart above. But what if you want to change the overrides? Just go to the specific week in the month and hit this rollback button at the right. That's it, the override has been removed and you are back to the system forecast. You can also enter an override for a specific week. For example, for the week of May 31st, let's say we enter an override. We can select if we want to enter the override as incremental units or percentage by clicking on this drop-down button. Let's say we enter a large units override. Hit commit. When you scroll up, you can now see the large override. But one more thing. When you enter a forecast override, ReplenOS also automatically recomputes the inventory and orders plan in response to the forecast change. To see that quickly, once you have entered overrides, scroll to the top. Click the Inventory Workbench button. You will now see the inventory plan for this specific variant. Here, you can see the demand forecast spike we entered and that ReplenOS is now recommending a large order here to meet this demand spike. Due to lead times, there's an out-of-stock risk as shown here. But by immediately placing the order recommended by ReplenOS, you can recover quickly. So this is how to enter, change, or remove forecast overrides to any week or month in ReplenOS and observe the impact to inventory.